to begin today with a very interesting entrepreneur. She's an interior designer. What you see on the screen is a product that she's created. That's her own home. We keep wondering, where does she get a new wall for every Saturday session? And today also is a very interesting job that she's done on the wall of her own house. That's what she also does for her clients. You should see her testimonials to believe in what she believes in, what is her belief system in terms of quality and performance. And she, in the interior space, is creating a niche for herself to be great with quality and price points, with a guarantee of completing the job on time, which is a major challenge in the space that she is in, that is interiors. So Tanuja and Associates is the name of the firm. We would now like to understand from Tanuja on her perspective on the concept of belief.
Thank you, sir, so much, sir, for the introduction. As per the Stephen Covey's theory, all things are created twice. In my interior designing profession, when I start designing, I visualize first in my mind and then it gets beautifully created on site. This is my belief, and over the years, it developed into our company's value as creativity. That's why when we design 4 flats in same building, having same layout, designing of each flat was unique, innovative, and totally different than other 3 flats. This is well appreciated by our clients also. We believe that you always have to be versatile to flourish your designing senses. Because of this belief, our 22 years of expertise got versatile portfolio of more than 200 projects, which includes designing of apartments, bungalows, villas, corporate offices, spa and salons, hotels and restaurants, mini theaters, etc. Values are important because they help us to grow. Alignment between our beliefs and our actions leads us to success. Thank you so much.
Before we do that, I'll be selecting a few people to share what is that one statement or that one belief that they like. Tanuja.
I like what Ravi sir says, life in abundance. He believes in life in abundance.
Next to go is somebody who absolutely makes work from home as comfortable as possible. Tanuja Rane from Tanuja and Associates. She's an interior designer. They give turnkey solutions. She does some beautiful work. Even in this pandemic, she has got multiple orders from people who want to really not only make a beautiful home, but also create the work from home concept so efficiently and in such a blended way that you get the peace of a home when you're living as a member of the family, and you get the comfort of an office when you think you're working in your office in a new setup. So Tanuja Rane, we would like to understand what value innovation are you doing for your customers, because the people who are watching you here, they have requirements to do their interiors at home, and probably they might get in touch with you on the basis of the value innovation that you have planned for your customers. Over to you, Tanuja, for your perspective on value innovation.
Thank you so much, sir, for lovely introduction. Value innovation for Tanuja and Associates is by giving cost-effective budget and enhancing the value of spaces by our unique design for our clients' interior work. When we do turnkey interior projects, we give budgetary estimate to our clients, which is always considerably less than the market price and with strict time commitment. In that given budget, we add value by adding some extra element or unique design feature, which changes the entire look of that space. To support our claim, let me give you an example. We designed and executed office space for a multinational company, Thermo Fisher Scientific, with a shoestring budget. On site, big column in the center was hampering the look of total area. So we designed that column such a way that it became focal point of that office, and we did that with no extra cost. The high point was we were able to complete the project 15 days ahead of scheduled time, as their director from America was visiting India and they wanted to inaugurate the office space by him. American director was tad impressed by the look and feel and appreciated our design in inauguration function. Thank you so much, sir.
Next to go is a very passionate entrepreneur again. When she's talking, you should look at the background. It's not a dummy screen. It is the reality of the work that she has done for her own house also. And that is what she delivers for her customers as well. You should listen to the testimonials that she has earned from her satisfied clients. Tanuja and Associates. Tanuja Rane is the person behind that, along with her husband Yogesh Rane. I will request Tanuja Rane to share her wish list on this topic.
Thank you so much, sir, for lovely introduction. My wish list are: first wish, this Facebook live program on every Saturday should help our company Tanuja and Associates to become a known interior designing brand worldwide, so that we can help Indian as well as NRI clients to design their interior spaces in India and overseas. Second one, government should implement good strategies and policies so that lot of MNCs will enter India, and this will help to create opportunities for us to design their corporate spaces as well as retail outlets. Third one, India should take over China's position as global manufacturing hub, and that will encourage us to become manufacturer of designer furniture and accessories, which are highly influenced by decorative art using latest techniques. Fourth one, government policies of developing 2 and 3 tier cities should transform into a greener and more human society with access to facilities like affordable healthcare, functioning public schools, choices for work and live. This way our cities could breathe again and families could move to 2 and 3 tier cities for better opportunities. And this will create more opportunities for us to design more interior spaces. Thank you, sir.
Friends, interiors played a very critical role during this work from home scenario. And interiors is one product we can definitely can be shown off in a video call, in a Zoom call, and any kind of a video call that happens in these days. The next to go is Tanuja Rane from Tanuja Rane and Associates, who are experts not only in designing, but also giving turnkey solutions of executing the design, which is a challenging part after you get a good design. So as a couple, Yogesh Rane and Tanuja Rane are experts in turnkey solutions with designing options. And at the same time, what you can see in the background is not a dummy screen of Zoom, but an actual live product of what they have done for the new houses that they have shifted to. Tanuja Rane, over to you on your perspective of ecosystem development.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for wonderful introduction. At Tanuja and Associates, being in interior designing industry, our work is completely based on ecosystem. To complete all our projects, we always need network of our clients, suppliers, vendors, product manufacturers, contractors, consultants, and our team members. This forms our ecosystem. For development of our ecosystem, we have attached to organizations like Business Opportunity Club, Saturday Club, and Me Udyojak. At Business Opportunity Club, we have already created ecosystem to help each other and grow together to the next level. Whenever I see any land related development or any person come across to buy any villa property, I remember St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures. For artifacts, Reshma is the first person to recommend. For automated blinds, Neelambari, and sound barriers, Nitin sir is fitted in mind. Neil and Gitika for automation, Raviraj sir for Vastu, and Alok Nag to provide any kind of loan completes our property power team. And I know as a team, we can conquer the world. Thank you.
We all need to understand that we need to fulfill our commitment irrespective of there is a lockdown or not, irrespective whether you're working from your office or from your home. It is a different story that today work from home is becoming a culture. And for you to enjoy the concept of work from home, you really need to take care and make changes in your interiors at home. What better than having a professional do that in a very systematic way? We have got a very interesting couple in our group, and they specialize not only in planning and designing the interiors, but also executing it with commitments of budgets and time. Their commitment is so strong that they take a 20% cut as a penalty if they don't deliver on the promised date. So if you want to have a work from home concept implemented in your house, we have got Tanuja and Associates, and let's understand from Tanuja Rane what is her perspective about the management of commitment. Tanuja, the screen is all yours.
Yes. Thank you so much for a lovely introduction. Commitment for me is staying loyal to myself about what I have committed. In interior designing profession, commitment plays very important role while designing as per client's taste, requirements and lifestyle. We always present all our drawings and 3D views before committed time to our clients, as we have in-house professional team to fulfill the expectation of our clients. When we start execution of any project, first we make project progress flowchart with indication of required time for each work. Accordingly, we are actually working on commitments of contractors and vendors with possibility that if one commitment goes wrong, our project can be delayed by 8 days and so on. But our contractors and suppliers always sticks to their commitments, and because of this teamwork, we can proudly say that our USP is interior within given time and budget. And we offer 20% penalty if we cross the committed time limit.
And to sum up the session on commitment management, I'm going to select 5 people from the platform, and each one of them is going to say one thing that they liked somebody else saying about commitment management. Is Tanuja Rane.
I like what Sandeep said, that his customers are their brand ambassadors.
Next to go is a very passionate interior designer, Tanuja Rane and Associates. She can bring a very good pleasure in the atmosphere that you get locked in during the lockdown with some intelligent interiors, and she also has got some smart solutions for converting your living room or your bedroom into a work from home office, the temporary arrangement that we are going to be having permanently in our house henceforth. So I would like to request Tanuja Rane to speak on customer satisfaction, customer relationship and customer service. Tanuja Rane.
Thank you so much, sir, for introduction. At Tanuja and Associates, we make our client as our designer and architect. We help him to visualize his needs and then convert it into a design. We understand his budget in advance, and then we guide him to visualize his requirements within his budget by propping him with elements which will fit his budget. We make him a part of our process and we help him realize the best solutions. We then promise and deliver 2 commitments: budget of execution and timely delivery. We offer a 20% penalty if we cross the commitment of time limit.
Wow, that's a very tall promise. So that is the kind of confidence Tanuja and Yogesh Rane have. They're ready to penalize themselves if they exceed the time limit. That's a very innovative offering. Tanuja, congratulations on that. I'm sure listening and they are planning to engage your services for the commitments that you're making. Congratulations on that. Friends, we are very happy to have people like Tanuja Rane amongst us, who's an interior designer. And the best part about Tanuja and Associates, which is our company's name, is they do turnkey solutions. This turnkey solutions comes with 2 confirmations: the cost in advance and the time in advance. They don't exceed on their time they have committed on. They don't exceed on the budgets that they have agreed on. These are 2 peaceful elements when you appoint an interior designer, especially somebody who also takes the responsibility of the turnkey delivery of the project that you have given them. So Tanuja Rane and Associates, and Tanuja, over to you. The screen is yours.
Thank you very much, sir, for lovely introduction. Every situation brings along good opportunities as well as bad. But now how to handle that situation depends upon how you adopt new situations very fast. In this current situation, me and my team adopted work from home very fast. And within no time, after starting work from home, we realized that 2 offices within one city is not necessary in this scenario. So it makes huge cut down in our overall extra overheads. After doing SWOT analysis of our business, we found out that the threat like this pandemic can be converted into opportunities, and we started our new e-portal, and that we will launch very soon. Thank you.
Tanuja Rane, who's into Tanuja and Associates. They're interior designers. They do turnkey projects. And the next person to go is Tanuja Rane on her perspectives of new realizations in life and in business. Tanuja, to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Problems and challenges are the part of entrepreneur's life. It always teaches new lessons and make ourselves more stronger than earlier. This current situation, COVID-19, has taught us a lot new things to adopt. And in that, most important for me is collaboration. If you can't beat your competitor, you can join them and collaborate with them. Strong sense of purpose to grow, and individuals who truly collaborate can see the value in working together. Recent example of this is collaboration of Jio and Facebook. We are also looking forward for such kind of collaboration. Thank you so much.
Tanuja Rane is the next to go. Tanuja Rane is from Tanuja and Associates. She is into interiors. They are a turnkey solutions company for interiors. Tanuja, to you, what is leadership according to you?
Thank you, sir. For me, leadership is setting up right direction for organization, visualizing bright future and focusing on it. This way, people will dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. Thank you.